doing? It's Mike from Harris Water Main. Today I'm with Danny. Danny, how you doing?
I'm good, great, doing good.
Danny, what are you doing today?
Today we're doing a relay.
Okay.
We're gonna start from like the property and go all the way to the street.
Okay. So we're getting here late. I see that we already have our shoring.
Yeah.
Everything's done and dug out on the property and the sidewalk. How far along are you?
Pretty much I just like 15 feet. I did like 15 feet already on the property.
So we're piped already. There was old clay pipe in here?
All clay pipe.
Okay, so now they got
clay pipe.
brand new 6-inch extra heavy cast iron. It's not that deep here.
No, it's about 6 feet.
Oh, so it's not that crazy of a dig.
No.
Now, are you planning on getting full inspection on everything today?
Today it's not possible, but I'm gonna get inspection at least the property.
Uh-huh.
Then tomorrow we'll get inspection on the street.
Gotcha. Okay, well, I won't hold you up. You start chopping. All right, man. All right, so Danny, we broke out the base. Is there only concrete right here, not in the rest of the street?
This street is garbage.
No base at all?
No base.
Okay, well, when we're done, we got to put a base in.
Yeah, pretty much. The gas company, they did some, that's why I got a little bit of concrete right here. So they base it afterwards.
So this is from the gas company?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the ground looks wet here. What's going on?
It's a possibility where it could be the water from the electric box that's seeping into the hole right now.
But the water main, looks like the water main's on the other side of the street.
The water main is across the street.
So in terms of digging right here, is there any type of utility interference that we have to be mindful of while you're digging?
Yes, definitely. They are electric,
okay.
Also gas.
Which both looks to be on
pretty
this
much
side.
Like right here, but I still have to be, because sometimes the mark is off.
Yes.
So still got to be a little precaution.
So you're Julio's eyes down.
Definitely.
Right? So I saw you doing your hand signals before.
Yeah, he has to watch me because some of the time he can't really see what's going on. Now, pull it.
Okay.
All right, hold it. All right, up. Hold it. Back.
So now you're telling them to knock that side down.
Yes,
right?
definitely.
And you said the city main's like 8 feet here?
Yeah, the city sewer is like 8, 9 feet. So right now I'm probably like 3.5, 4 feet. So I'm pretty much getting ready to start my shoring.
You get down about 5 feet, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty much 4.5, 5 feet. So I'm going gradually, slowly, until I just have everything organized out to where I'm ready for shoring.
This is crazy that the street has no base. This is just, it's 2 inches of asphalt.
It happens all the time. It happens all the time.
Yeah.
That's why most of the time when I have to countersink, it causes a problem like this.
Well, you wouldn't be able to countersink this.
No. One more bucket, that's it. Pull it. All right, give me a push back over there, that's it.
so we're waiting for the inspector to come. These guys still have some more work to do to get the street done. So we want to say goodbye. Danny, thank you. Royan, thank you. Calvin, thank you. Julio, thank you. Move.
Your outro.
Yeah, what's your signature move?
Walk towards you, I want that way.
That's fine.
Walk that way?
All
No, right here.
one at a time.
A little bit to your left, Danny. Yeah, there we go. We'll teach. We'll get on.
Calvin, come on, get over here. This is for real.
I already see you, Calvin.
That actually is Calvin's move, sitting down.
Ooh.
You're gonna be on TV later, man.
Yeah.
Every time, big on.
Thanks, guys.